Completing the full process of training the LoRA model in ComfyUI also updates the previous workflow.
Using one image to create a training set with style transfer, then completing the entire LoRA workflow training and filling in the missing parts from the previous video demonstration.
First, we open Group 1, and then import a reference image. This time, I'm going to recreate the style of this image. I've named it Liquid Metal Neon Style. IP Adaptive Style Transfer now has a better solution, so I also updated and replaced this node. In the first group, I decided to select 30 images as my training set. Select more options? Choose 30. This prefix will not appear in the prompt at all. It will only be combined with my random prompts and saved locally. For the training set we have generated, it's still best to do some screening. Turn off Group 1, turn on Group 2.
Group 1 is used for style transfer and generating training data.
If we use Group 2, it means we originally had a training set in hand. All we need to do is label it.
Make sure to set the prefix here. It's important for our trigger words.
Turn off Group 2 and turn on Group 3.
What does Group 3 need to do? Set up the base mold and prepare the directory for our training set.
This is incorrect. I need to make changes.
Oh, training for 15 rounds, saving after each round.
Batch size is set to 1.
Set the model name first. If there are no major issues, click Start Training. Even if your plugin is installed successfully, it may still fail to work properly.
I'd like to mention 2 formatting issues here.
After generating the training set for Group 1, we need to filter it and place our training set into a folder. This folder has a fixed format, as shown here, 20 hyphens plus our name. The name should not contain any spaces. Also, the path only needs to go up 1 level to this folder. It will be clear once you use the compression tool.
The name of the model also can't have spaces, at least that's what I found out from my practical experience.
After training is completed, turn off Group 3 and activate Group 4. Originally, there was Group 5 here, but I combined them into one section. Load the large model and refresh your gear with the LoRA model. Here, we're using a text link. A is the trigger word, then B enters a random prompt. Of course, you can make appropriate adjustments. It's completely fine to input your own prompts as well. Putting it all together is a trigger word plus some prompt words. In my opinion, this kind of shiny cyberpunk look has already been achieved.
Navigate to RunningHub's AI or click the link in the introduction to register and get 120 HP. Log in daily to receive an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.